Step 1. Wipe the installation area clean. Align the locator sticker along the edge of the vehicle as shown in the video and press it into place. Step 2. Use an adhesion promoter to wipe the installation area. Tear off the double-sided tape on the back of the product. Carefully align the product with the edge of the locator sticker. Press firmly into place. Press it down carefully. Step 3. Remove the locator sticker. Note: do not drive the vehicle within 24 hours after installation. The installation location should not come into contact with water within 72 hours after installation.